Hello and welcome to TVET Tutorials. My name is Doc and these are my 5 study tips for you guys to follow if you're having trouble studying. Step number 1, avoid distractions at all costs. When you get into studying, you need to be focused, right? So try to avoid having things like your cell phones, friends and family around, which will possibly distract you or keep you from focusing while studying. With modern phones, I understand that there's actually a certain feature that helps you remain focused or keeps you away from your phone for a certain period of time, depending on how long you actually set that period to be. So you can actually disable your phone. Even if you try to access your phone while it is disabled, you will not get access to your phone. That feature might come in handy. Again, if you have friends around and you're trying to study, or you have family around and you're trying to study, you can easily get distracted. So try to move away from them. Find a quiet place where you can actually remain focused. Step number 2, set your mind to it or clear your mind. If your mind is drifting somewhere else and you're trying to study, trust me, you're not going to learn anything or you're not going to study anything. So try to set your mind into studying. Try to focus. This step actually correlates with step number 1. So if you are distracted, if you are mid-studying and you start thinking about your situation or your problems, you can easily be distracted and it will sway you away from your studying. So try to clear your mind, try to have a clear mind, try to set your mind into studying. Step number 3, and this is probably one of the most important steps, take breaks. Avoid studying for long extended hours because over time, your mind gets tired. And when your mind is tired, it is so easy just like that to distract it. Again, it correlates to step number 1. So it is very important that you remain focused while studying. And if you deprive your mind from breaks, you're not going to learn much. So try to dedicate at least 1 or 2 hours of your time in studying and remember to take interval breaks. Step number 4, plan your study. It really defeats the purpose of studying if you do not know exactly what you want to study. A common mistake I see students make is actually planning to study for a test that is upcoming. And that really makes me question are they planning to know the work or are they just planning to write the test? Because after the test, if you ask a student what did they study, chances are they forgot. So there's a terminology that we use. It's actually called CPF, cram, pass and forget. It actually works to your disadvantage because in future, if you get into a working environment, you need to understand the work or you need to understand what you were studying for. And step number 5, use references. Use previous question papers where possible. It would help you so much if you understand how questions in an exam are actually formulated. So using previous question papers would really come in handy. With that being said, if you are a TVET student and you are looking for previous question papers, head on over to www.myqps.site. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more video lessons. Click on the bell icon so that you are instantly notified every time we drop new content. Until then, from me, adios.